Apartment 210, Fontainebleau Boulevard.
Hi.
Hi.
This is our living room.
Living room.
Was. We had the sofa right here.
Where did you lay to watch TV? And the TV was over there.
That corner.
That's our kitty. We are bringing her with us. That's the last things to take down, our big old tomato plant.
Which we're donating to our friends.
Let's go outside. This is the view from our balcony. A pizza place. What?
We're in Miami.
We're in Miami. That was a convenience store, an adult video store, a pizza place, a hair salon, a restaurant, a laundromat, and a daycare. Yeah, that's right. A daycare and an adult video store. This is our parking lot. That was our view. That's Fontainebleau Boulevard, Miami, Florida. Meow. How many bedrooms are in this apartment?
One.
Oh wait, let's look at the kitchen.
Oh.
So long, kitchen. Our first dishwasher. Ah. Bathroom, standard, tub, toilet, sink. Bedroom, also with a cool view of the adult video store and the pizza place.
And the crown jewel of the apartment.
Ah. Walk to the end, show us how far it is. Dun, 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 dun.
I probably appear smaller because I'm so far away.
You're so weird. So, say bye-bye, our first dependent. Bye.
Sorry, I'm sweating.